Hey, this is Brandon. Welcome in, guys. Today we're going to be doing a little breakfast. We're going to be making some breakfast tacos, but the thing to this one, we're going to be using leftover taco meat. A lot of times we have a lot of leftover taco meat because we have a fairly big family and we make quite a bit. So I'll make turkey for my son because he doesn't eat beef, and then we'll make beef for everybody else. So we do have some leftover ground turkey meat left. We're going to turn it into a delicious taco filling, and it's not only going to fill you up, but it's going to taste delicious too. So you guys stay tuned. We'll be right back. First, we're going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to go directly in with our green peppers and our onions. And we're going to saute those for probably 2 minutes. Now, I didn't put in very much oil at all. This is a non-stick electric skillet, so I just wanted to make sure that we just gave it a little extra help. I have my electric skillet set to 300 degrees. Now, if you don't have an electric skillet quite naturally, you can go ahead and use just a regular skillet in stovetop. I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt to our veggies. And we're going to let that saute for about a minute. All right, guys, so we've had our vegetables going for 2 minutes now. So now I'm going to add in about a cup of our ground turkey taco meat, and I'm going to put in some pickled jalapenos. So we're going to put in a cup of our ground turkey. Now you can put as much or as little as you like. Completely up to you. And all we're doing right now is basically just reheating our meat because it's already cooked quite naturally. And some pickled jalapenos. I like to have a little kick. We're going to add in some pickled jalapenos. But if you don't like the heat as much, don't worry about it. You know, if you're intrigued by what you're seeing so far, if you could, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Help me out that way. Doesn't cost you a dime. All right, fam, so we've allowed this meat to reheat for about 1.5 minutes. And now we're going to add in our eggs. I have 3 large eggs here that we've just beat. And we're going to pour those right on in. I did move my meat to the side here in order to get out the way while we just give a light little scramble to these eggs before we incorporate everything. We're in the home stretch now. This is a recipe that doesn't take a long time, but it will fill you up and have you ready to go for your long day. If you have a hard day of work ahead of you and you're looking for something to stick to those bones that's going to last you a while, that's going to make lunch not be as important. You know, sometimes we get right to work and we're there for an hour and we're ready to snack on something or eat something, but you make this recipe and you won't be hungry for quite some time. So let me go ahead and continue to make let these eggs cook for a little bit, and then we'll show you what it's going to look like here in a minute. Okay, guys, so we've got a soft scramble on our eggs now. So now all I want to do is now begin to incorporate everything back together. Again, we have onions, bell pepper, some leftover taco meat. This is turkey. You could use ground beef or chicken if you like. 3 eggs, and I did throw some jalapenos in mine because I want a little kick. So we are done. The filling is ready and together. Now, if you wanted, you could add your cheese to it at this point as well. I'm not a cheese fan, so we're not going to go that route. Skillet off. Look at that. Now, if you wanted, you can eat this just like it is. You don't have to put it in a burrito or a taco. You can eat it just like it is. You could put it in some on a lettuce wrap if you wanted to, if you were really trying to be good. Over some rice, over some hash browns. So we're all set. So let's go ahead and build us a couple tacos. Simple as a taco. I'm using a Carb Smart tortilla here. This is 4 carbs. Now, I'm not on a keto or anything like that, but I am just trying to have a lower carb diet now. We're going to put a little guacamole down at the bottom. Now, if you don't like guac, don't use it. So a nice little smear of guac here. We're going to put in some of our filling. Now, this is also a very low carb breakfast, which is a good thing. High in protein, which is that energy you need for the rest of your day. And I do like, pretty basic. So this is all I'm going to add to mine. You could add in some fresh tomatoes as well, which would be delicious. Then I'm going to put on a little Tabasco green pepper sauce. All right. Let's go ahead and get a bite. All right. Father God, in the name of Jesus. All right, there's our finished product. Let's go in and get some. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, Lord. That's fire, y'all. So good. You have that little bit of, the flavor of the taco, the richness of the egg, the heat from the jalapeno and that pepper sauce, the little crunch from your onion and green pepper. This is what you need right here. This will start your day off right and have you being able to work up until the next meal. So hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Till the next time, God bless. We'll see you around.